Today I'm going to go over some pen tool tips and tricks, and this is just how I work with it. So I've already brought in my sketch, I've locked that layer, and now I'm moving to layer 2. I'm going to go ahead and not start on, I'm going to start in the middle of a curve, basically. I'm going to come up here, I'm going to click and drag. All of this stuff is mostly what you were doing with the pen tool exercise, but a couple things that you may not have done that much are if I want to switch directions real quick, I've got my path kind of hanging out here and I don't want it to curve anymore. And while I could have held Alt while I was still dragging, I can also click on this anchor point when that caret pops up, and then I can start fresh with my curve. And one thing that I want to be aware of is that any curve is going to continue, right? But I'm able to see where it's going to go. And I'm going to try an Alt here because I know I'm immediately going to want to change direction. So I've dragged it out, I'm holding Alt, and I'm actually going to bring it back. Let go of my click, let go of my Alt, and now I have a straight line that I can turn into whatever I want. Now I'm going to stop being able to see my design in a second, so I'm going to actually turn off my fill, and the only reason that worked is because my fill was on top. If my stroke had been on top, it wouldn't have gone anywhere, so I need to make sure my fill's on top and then click the none. And then again, I want it to completely go away, so I'm just going to click that anchor when I see that caret, and I can go onto my next curve. And I'm trying to go as far as possible with my curves and with my anchor point before I make a new anchor point, and this is just something that you're gonna slowly get good at, knowing where that curve kind of ends and starts again. So this looks pretty good. I finished it out and I'm ready to color it with whatever color would make me happy.